Hi everyone, Redfern here once again, bringing you a snippet and update of some of the services that OnPassive is going to be offering us as a founder or a reseller. Now, one of the things that we've heard that OnPassive is going to do for us is they're going to supply us with a domain name and a website. Now, you probably heard a lot of the Zoom calls introducing people to OnPassive about using having traffic coming to our website. Now, this is how it is going to work for the people that don't really understand how this website and domain name thing is going to work within OnPassive. So if you already have a domain name of your own, you can transfer this onto the OnPassive ecosystem, okay? Or if you haven't got your own domain name yet, OnPassive will give you a domain name to use. Now, this domain name is going to be attached to a one-page website, which is going to then be used by OnPassive to advertise your business. Now, your business is either going to be OnPassive, or if approved, you can then attach your own individual business to that domain name. Now, it is very important to make sure that if you are using an external business, that it is above board and it is legal. Otherwise, it will not be approved by OnPassive. So let's just go back then to the domain name and website that we are going to get from OnPassive. The website itself, okay, will be changing daily, and this means that if you are already a founder, if you go into your back office and look at the links, this is the type of website that we will be having, and this will change daily. So it means that if you have somebody that looks at you on day one, on day two, if they look at you again, you will have a different website that will be promoting a different product or service of OnPassive, so that you're going to be getting fresh eyes on different websites day in, day out to your domain name. Now, if they click on that link, that website or your domain name, then they will then be taken to another page where they put their name and address in, and they will fall into your team and get a 7-day free trial to use all of the products and services of OnPassive. And that is such a major thing, because it means they have 7 days to trial all of the products and services within the OnPassive ecosystem, and they're going to love what they see, and it's going to greatly improve their chances of signing up underneath you in your team. If they click on your link and they put their name and email in, that means regardless of how far down the line they come back to OnPassive, that email sticks with you within your team. Okay, they can't go anywhere else unless they use a different email. So it's a fantastic thing to have. OnPassive has thought of everything, anything to do with making your exposure online. Okay, they have thought about it. They're going to be giving us a website and a domain name. They're also going to give us rotators that change on a daily basis to get fresh eyes in front of our business, which is going to be OnPassive. Anyway, guys, that is a very quick update of how the domain name and website is going to work within OnPassive. Anyway, if you're watching this on YouTube, just below here is a thumb like this. This is the like button. Just give it a quick click. If you're not subscribed already to my channel, just click that subscribe button, and then you'll be instantly notified when I do a new video. Also, if you're not a founder or reseller within OnPassive and you want to know more, in the bio underneath here there'll be a link. Just click on that and it will give you loads more information about how cool OnPassive is and how you'll be able to make a residual income with us in OnPassive. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.